Today, I'll walk you through how to install Microsoft Edge back in Windows 10 or 11, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to get Microsoft Edge up and running so you can enjoy a seamless browsing experience. Let's dive right in. To begin, open any web browser you have available. Think of this as your gateway to the digital world, much like opening a door to explore new places. In the search bar, type Microsoft Edge Download and hit Enter. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The key is to find the official Microsoft Edge website. Once you're on the official site, you'll see a prominent download button. Go ahead and click it. This is like picking up a ticket for a journey. You're one step closer to browsing with Edge. Next, you'll need to select your operating system. Whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, choose the appropriate option and download the installer. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, as the file size can vary. After the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and run it. Think of this as setting up a new gadget. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be guided through the process smoothly. Once the installation is finished, it's time to launch Microsoft Edge. Double-click the Edge icon and you're ready to start browsing. It's like opening a brand new book filled with endless possibilities. And there you have it. That's how to install Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 or Windows 11. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.